Welcome to the latest update program. The news of this hour is month-long mega safety drive to be launched. Indian Railways will launch a month-long mega safety drive today, that is October 28, 2022. This drive will be launched to remove any gaps in the maintenance of fixed assets, locomotives and rolling stock and strengthen safety in railways. During the drive, it will be ensured that extant procedures are being conformed and monitoring of human factors shall be done. Railway Board has directed all zonal railways to ensure that officers in headquarters and divisions carry out thorough inspections and ensure the correction of deficiencies found during inspections. This mega safety drive will include regular patrolling of all tracks and the same should be monitored on day-to-day basis. Surprise checks at stations to ensure proper operational practices are being followed. No safety system is being bypassed and the gate, station and other operating staff shall be encouraged to be vigilant. Each major section of each division must be under night footplate inspection by an officer. All sections of divisions are to be inspected by DRMs or ADRMs. The general health of fixed assets is to be examined.